And now we have advanced stock market trading. If you want to continue it, you can learn this, but don't start advanced stock market trading when you are a beginner in the stock market. First learn about the stock market and then invest in companies just buying shares. If you learn everything, then start advanced stock market trading. Here we have option of futures and options. A option is a contract. Like if you want to buy a house, it costs 20 lakhs now, but you don't have money, you want to buy in the next 1 year, but you don't know the price of the house may increase or decrease. So if you pay now 20 lakhs, after 6 months if the price drops to 10 lakhs, you may lose 10 lakhs rupees. But if it increases, you cannot buy with extra 10 lakhs. So here comes the option of the contract. If you want to buy the house, you will just pay 5,000 or 10,000 rupees to the person and you will reserve your thing. So if you want to buy a house but you don't want to pay any extra money, you can take the contract by just paying a premium. And if you want to buy the house in the 1 year, you can buy it. Otherwise you can leave it, you will just lose the premium instead of the whole money. So that's the thing you can use in the stock market here. So the future is different. Like if you took the contract, you have to buy it. Otherwise you can close the contract before the expiry date. Here I'll show you what a contract or option is. We'll just go to Reliance. This is Reliance November 2100 CE. It means it expires on November 26, next Thursday. All the contracts expires on the last Thursday of a month. If it's a company, if it's an index fund like a Nifty, so it expires for every week. So here you can see we have CE and PE. CE means it's a call, PE means put. Call means we are betting against the company will go high than the required price. Here we can see it's 2100 CE. It means by the November 26, the Reliance will cross 2100. So if it crosses, the price increases. Here you can see as the Reliance fell down from 200 to 57. And this is not just one thing. We have to buy this in a lot. Reliance lot, it consists of like 500 or 505 quantity. So it's like 505 into 57. You need to pay that much price. And when the stock increases, the profit also will be like that. So it's like easy and fast money. So many people who just started the stock market trading, they lean towards the options trading because you can get money in a day or 2 days. But if you buy a share, you have to wait for a long term. But if you are doing the options trading, you should do your own research. Otherwise you should follow someone as a reliable source. And one of the important thing here is candlestick pattern. Here you can see the candles, red, green and everything. Like these are the candlesticks which was started in Japan by the rice merchants for the trading, which was very good, and Americans impressed from it and they started in stock market. If you want to learn about this, you should know these. Like there are many candles here, you can see it's like shooting star, rising hammer and many things. So if you can learn that, you can see the candle and you can predict if it's going to fall, if it's going to rise. So you can get to know that. And support and resistance. Every day when you see any news about the stock market, they'll tell you the support for Nifty today is this and the resistance is this. Support means if a stock or an index was at that number, if it falls down that, it may fall easily. Support means it will support the stock at that price. If it falls below that, it may plummet easily. And the resistance is like it will resist you to don't cross the level. If it crosses that level, it may increase easily like a rally. Here we have three important things: out of money, at the money, and in the money. Here we can see Reliance is at 1993 rupees. So if you are buying a contract below this, like Reliance 1700 CE, 1800 CE, it's inside the money as it's below that. If you are buying Reliance 2000 CE, it's nearby 1993, so it's at the money. If you are buying Reliance 2100 CE, 2200 CE, it's out of the money. And the contract prices also, it depends. If it's inside the money, you need to pay more money for that, because as you already crossed the price of the stock, it won't fall below that, so it will be costly. And near to the money, it will be medium and average kind of a price. If you are buying Reliance 2200 or 300, it will be cheaper because it's lot higher, and for a stock it will be difficult to go. And there's a money market which is similar to stock market, but its volume is very huge. It's where government bonds and securities are sold. And some of the websites you can follow are Money Control, Investing.com, NSE and BSE websites. And there are many YouTube channels where you can learn the basics, advantages and advanced stock market trading. You can see these are the channels you can follow, and some of the movie TV shows which you can watch and learn more about the stock market. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and in the upcoming we are going to make videos of American Stock Exchange, how you can invest very few dollars like $10 to $20 and you can earn $100 or $200 in a week or a month. We'll show you